Hello friends, welcome to another Salesforce tutorial video. In this video we are going to study arrays and what are arrays. Just quickly see the definition of array. Arrays can hold collection of similar elements, like type of list. Each element in array is located by index, we will see. So like list, 0, index 0, 1, 2, 3. The first element is having index 0. Index value starts with 0, so the first element occupies with the index 0. So the syntax of array is data type. You need to write. It can be integer, string, account, or your custom object, as object, and then array name. Use the brackets, this one, in the notation used to declare an array, if you want to declare an array, where the data type can be primitive, such as integer, string, as object, account, or custom object, or user-defined class name. So as you can see here, integer and square bracket and then ages. These are integers, 30, 40, 50. And then string names, if you know the names, accounts and position, it is an example of array. So there are multi-dimensional arrays. We can work like this also, since they are kind of list, like string. Okay, this is an array, and then can be equals to or assigned to a new list string. This is no problem. List string colors new string, and then it holds one value only. You can add only one color to one string to this, and then here string colors equals to new string, and then this is also like same thing. And now we can go to our developer console and do some practice. This is a very basic example. We can do like this if you know the values. If you want to add later, it's fine. Like we have integer, square brackets, array, new integer, square bracket, and then in curly braces, 5 values. Means it is holding 5 elements, and then 0 index, 1 index, 2, 4. For 0, 1, 2, 3 indexes are here until 3, but we have 4 elements. So when you declare this array should have 4 elements in it. So let's execute and then see in developer console. 10, 20, 30, 40. We have these values in our array. So we can add also some names. For example, let me comment out this part and then see another type of examples. If you want to, for example, add accounts, right? Like accounts, account, right? Curly braces, and then ACC, assigned to, okay, new account, curly braces. If you want to add names here, it's fine. Like if you add here like name, or if you want to add later on here, you can add also down. For example, to add one account in this array, and this array you want to add just 2 accounts, you need to write 2 here, and then see create account AC1 AC equals to new and account just put name equals to array test, array test. Just we will add name, and then also I will add another account, AC1 new account, name array test 1. So this is my now. If we want to see, yeah, in system debug, system dot debug my array list plus, okay, after that my first element in array, what it will be? AC1, right? So if you want to add in our, if you want to add this value in array, what you need to do is you need to write the name of array. Array is A C, right? AC dot curly braces, and then we will put this AC. This is my first element in array. Equal assigned to what? And there's my, sorry, my first element, yeah, index 0 will be AC, this one. Okay, now I am adding. If you want to add something in array, the syntax is that, let me make bigger. So if you want to add one value to the array, just the name of array and then index, assign it what? This one. So same way, HCC syntax first element index value equals or assigned to AC1. Okay, now these two elements are there because I assign. I can add more, but you need to change the name. So now I will see my ACC array list. Okay, ACC unexpected token where we made mistake. Line where? Line 7. AC, sorry, we didn't add. As you can see, my array list account name is array test account array test 1. So this is how to add. You can do other way also if you want, like name ac dot name and then this, so it is fine. Okay, for example, if we do another example, let's comment these ones out, and then about integer we can have integers, or name of the weeks are fixed, or there are some values like about integers. Okay, and then number list assign, okay, new you can put numbers here also in curly braces, or you can define, I want this my new array to hold 5 values. Okay, now what I can do, I must do number list. If I want to add method, let's say adding value to array. Okay, for that what you need to do, you just need to copy name of array and then curly braces, and first element 0 index assigned to 10, and after, if you want to add more, you can add 4 or until 5 maximum. You can add 0 index 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then this can be 20, 20, 50, 70, 80. This is my, now if I want to see the in system debug my array list. Okay, sorry, number list. If I want to my array list, I don't want to for, okay, let's see. As you can see, values are here. So if you want to make a change, like you want to put number list, a new value for you want to change, set another value for index 3. So what you need to do is just index 3, what is there, 70. Now I will put assign to like 90, and then again I will copy and paste my list, print out. As you can see, when there is problem, then it will not go same. You can see now change from 70. I changed my index. What other things we can do with array? Initializing. One I would like to do with, for example, I can find out also the size of my list, right? I can find out the size of my list dot, right, size of my array. How many elements are there? 5. Just to make it more readable, you might need something like this. Now one more space. Now I would like to see them in like a for loop, like in for loop. In for loop, what we can do? That we can do for, right, integer equals 1, sorry, integer e equals to 1 starting, and then semicolon, and then I can take the size. Instead of smaller than 5, I can take this one here, instead of, sorry, e smaller than size, then plus plus I. I plus, sorry, and then our block, what we want to do to show them in debug, system.debug, our I. Let's see what we will see. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So because I will be, maybe you can make smaller equals, so it will be 5, I think. Until 5. If you want to see like I, and what else we want to see here, index 1. I have made another nice thing here, so we can together see. As you can see, this is my array list, and then I change one value in that. Now I found the size of my, just to see how many elements, to see 5. Now I want to see them in each line for loop, to create a for loop and then see one by one. What I did is integer, I start initialize from 0 index. I will take like index to see the something like this. Let me first show you. 0 index element 10. Like if you want to see something like this, you can create one for loop, and then for each index integers, like starting from 0 index, I want to print like index 0 element number list I is starting from 0, and then here I smaller than size is 5, but index is until 4, so -1, and then e plus plus, so it will go until 4. So we will have our values here. Now I think it is fine for this. Maybe you can create for array list for other objects as well, like string, for example. We didn't do. Let's do the last one, string, and then equal assign string name as string, assign new string, and then just 2 value I think is enough for now. And then if you want to add string to here, just string, and then your index number 0, and then assign to what, let's say apex, and then second one string, index 1 sales, that is Salesforce. This is adding a value to the string, so we can see now system, in our system debug, and string list plus Apex Salesforce. So this is nice way. If you want to add, just you can add here string and index 2, then you must change here also if you want to add more elements. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. See you in next lesson.